Shopping with Wags. Here we go. Chicago. Shopping with Wags is pretty cool. So nothing really here to show. So I'm over by the meatless section, let's call it. Your lords. See how this works? Let's take a look. I'm limping all around this fucking thing here. See how that works? That's why I haven't done a shopping video in a while. I'm trying to rest my foot. Alright, here's what we got. Here we go. The Morning Stars. See how that works? They got new shit here. Look at this garbage. New chicken nuggets made by Incognito Meat. See how that works? With Mickey. This is so fucking creepy, no? Mickey's on your Incognito. What's in this stuff? See, what are you making the meat out of? I might take a good look at this garbage right here. I wasn't going to do a video today of the store because they had full inventory right now. Miraculously, all of a sudden, inventory's big. Whatever. But the prices is skyrocketed. $9 for some turkey today, ground turkey garbage. And I went to get a little lunch meat. Not happening no more. $9.99 for chicken, garbage chicken, sliced garbage. I'm out. I guess I'll be eating bugs. See how that works? Or this garbage from Mickey Mouse. But Mickey is sponsoring the Morning Star. Watch this garbage. Morning Star is the, what do you call him? Lucifer. See how the light, Lucifer meaning light. See how that works? I don't know about what you think that meant. There's a clue. What's in this meat? Mr. Disney. See how that works? Disney. There's a certain ship I heard about. A lot of visits. Anyways, Mickey Mouse shaped chick in the letter N nuggets because it's not real. See how that works? Incognito. See how that works? Incognito. I just made myself spit coffee. Thank God there's a big lip cup. I just spit coffee back on my side. It almost came out of my nose. Yeah, that would have been the best video I ever did. Oh, by the way, I'm laughing at my own freaking jokes. This is getting retarded. Or not. Bye. Your Dark Lord, the Morning Star Farm. See how that works or not? Ultimate chicken nuggets. Look at all this plant-based garbage. Look at this full circle. Impossible. See this beef strips by Gardenia or whatever the hell that name is. See how that works? Look how much more, dude. They're sneaking this shit in. You don't even know it. What's this garbage? See, while you were sleeping, this freaking shit rolls in when your chicken, the real chickens, go out the back door. Chicken nuggets look like dinosaurs or that Nephilim on the freaking sun lately. See how that works? Here, pork. Look at this. Just so in case you're new to chicken, no, I don't want you. Go look at the Nephilim. It's in that video I showed you. Look how much more they got. Porkless bites. See how that? Porkless bites. See how that works? Again, go back to Disney. What's in this special meat that they're growing on a printer in the lab? See how that works? Crumbles, Boca, whatever. I don't know. They got Mickey on this fucking package. Like, Disney's sponsoring this crap. That's probably normal. That's probably some guy in this. I apologize. I'm talking to people in the back right here. This is getting creepy. Basement. Griller crumbles. See. Whenever you see the name Morning Star, that's a clue. Oh, where was I? Here we go. Yeah, there's a clue. What's in this meat? Mr. Disney. See how that works? Disney. There's a certain ship I heard about. A lot of visits. Anyways, Mickey Mouse shaped chick in the letter N nuggets because it's not. But by the way, what do you call a chick? Like chick, CHIK is dark arts. CHIC would be chicken for short. By the way, so this is how they're doing their words right in your face. When you go black magic. If you're talking about dark arts magic, it's MAGIK, I believe. Am I right? Is that right? I believe that's right. MAGIK. MAGIC is how you spell it. See, do you understand how they're telling you right to your face, and then you got Mickey Mouse on this thing? And then, you ever see that movie Fear and Loathing in Las Vegas? Look that up. Look up what that interpretation of that movie by those crazy people that was debunked. I'm not going to say what it meant. Go look up what the C word heresy about that movie, and then think about Mickey on the package of your new bugless or bug-grown, whatever this garbage is. But think about that movie when you think about why they got a kid on here, and then they're misspelling words on purpose. The word chick. A chick is a baby chicken. Is that not?
See, I know what those are. I got some right here. See how they work? By the way, I thought you'd have to feed them things. You know, they just eat themselves. Not themselves, but they eat by themselves. See how they work? Do you hear what I'm saying or no? Hang on. This pisses me off.
And nuggets, because it's not real. See how that works? Incognito. See how that works? Incognito, by the way.
This is the devil. See how that works?
Like Subway with their tuna.
They
have tuna in it.
They don't? I was just notified by another producer to the show here. I got two of them now. See how that works? You go from none to two. You go, see how this works? I heard from a bird right here that tuna fish sandwiches at this certain place that's green and yellow. Because I don't want to get sued. See how that works? But it starts with S and ends in way. That I hear they don't have any meat in the freaking tuna. See how that works? You're eating this garbage from that movie I just told you about. Look it up.
By your
or not.
Lord, the Morning Star Farm. See how that works or not? Ultimate chicken nuggets. Look at all this plant-based garbage. Look at it.
Do you guys understand what the fuck is coming? You don't.
Full circle. Impossible. See this? Beef strips by Gardenia or whatever the hell that name is. See how that works?
That reminds me of that thing you put on a girl's leg on prom. What is that when you're dancing? A garter. See, I got to produce another garter belt. See how that works? Gardenia of what? Of the chicks? See how that works? With a K, meaning dark. So chick normally would be a chicken or a broad. Guys talk like that if they're in high school. Hey, look at that chick over there. That's rude, but whatever. I've done it. Or not. Huh? Chick what? Garden?
Apple of my eye.
Apple of my eye. I don't know if she's talking dark arts. Apple of my eye, garden even. You guys Spurs out there, let me know what that means. Put that in the comments because I got to be careful what I say. See, you can't talk about the B word. See, whatever. Anyways, you do you. Go watch that movie I just said. Hang on. Do you think they're talking about... Wait, what are you meaning? Yeah. You don't know. Great. See, she does this about that. She knows how to fuck with my head. See how that works? Planting seeds. Now I'm gonna spurg on this now.
Look how much more, dude.
I hope you guys tell me what the hell that means, please, in the comments, so I don't have to look it up.
They're sneaking this shit in. You don't even know it. What's this garbage? Chicken nuggets look like dinosaurs, or that Nephilim on the freaking
Nephilim.
See that ever? Here, pork. Look at this. Look how much more they got. Porkless.
By the way, this crap ain't cheap. It's more expensive than this crappy meat I just bought for $10 of turkey garbage.
Bites. Yeah. Again, go back to Disney. What's in this special meat that they're growing on the printer in the lab? See that ever? Crumbles, boca, whatever. I don't know if that's real or not. Hang on.
This is getting to be like humans where you don't know if they're male or not, or female or not, or mixed or not, or whatever you guys call it. They're blending everything, so you can't tell a man or a woman no more. I can't. And then, see, just say, fuck it. And then, now you can't tell your food. Is it real or is it not? See, this is like that Memorex thing. Remember, is it taped or not?
The Prager mushroom thing.
This is the biggest mind F I've ever seen in probably world history. No, don't do that. No. No. Sorry about that.
Gorilla crumbles. See, whenever you see the name Morningstar, that's a clue. And then Mickey Mouse on it with little kids, that's another clue. It's Wagschicago. This is disgusting.
So there's that video. And then I keep walking. See how that works? Watch this garbage. Where am I at here? Incognito. Watch this shit.
Back into this garbage. I almost missed this. Save $1 on some incognito. I can't even say that word.
Try to say that word, but your brain, they're effing with your brain because they're rewiring your brain. If you incognito, you know the word. Even me, who's kind of a lingual expert or not, an amateur expert, whatever you call it. I'm not a gynecologist, like I said, but that made it where I couldn't use my tongue. See how that worked? That's for the other channels, but whatever.
Incog meat. Oh. Morningstar. See how that worked?
A fucking disgusting. And then there's what's this look like? By the way, watch that movie. I just said Fear and Loathing and something like Las Vegas or something. And then take a look at this on your screen. That came off a printer, by the way, out of some plant juices. My ass.
But they're little wieners or some garbage made out of printers. See how that works?
By the way, think of Disney when I'm saying this, or don't.
Then you got Beyonce.
And all those, how many kids go, hey, you know this, because you're an advocate for this garbage. How many kids go missing every year in this country? 400,000 or so. This is up top of our head. and then think it is garbage, or don't.
How about 108 Disney workers just got arrested?
Oh yeah, by the way, I can't say this, but 108 people got arrested working for a company that starts with a certain letter. See how that works? It's kind of like an egg if you cut it in half and laid it sideways, but point it to the right. Or maybe it's in this video I just showed you. And they're getting their rights taken away by the state of Florida. That's a news story. So we get news mixed with this. Thanks for that, by the way. See how this works? Now you guys just learned something. Today is breaking. Florida State Senate. I just off the top of my head, I'm not reading this garbage. I memorized it because I just don't memorize it. It's just there. But they're getting rid of. They're passing a law to strip Disney of all their superpowers. See how that works? They won't have their own police force no more and be exempt from all the laws no more. In the tunnels and so forth. When you guys do that homework, I got some spurs.
Which is beyond what?
That's children meat. Like really, you're gonna give this to your kids? I had to be careful what I just said there. You wouldn't give your children this meat, is what I'm trying to say. See how that works or not?
By the way, did I tell you who's this doohickey? Where'd they go? Where's that Disney thing? What do we got here? Chicken strips.
By the way, they're missing. What did they say there? Chick what? There's another company, by the way. It's a different brand. How are they spelling chick? Take a look.
Walnut burgers.
Why do they call it farms? It's like you're soul farming or something. Maybe they are. Oh, by the way, take a look in the parking lots around those said factories that make this garbage. You'll see a something that's in the news a lot with the Supreme Court a lot. Seemed to be right in the vicinity. I think it was in California and Arizona, by the way. That was a couple of years ago. They may have moved, but look through the Google Wayback Machine, you'll see it. I can't talk about it. But there was a little doohickey attached where people come in, two come in, one goes out. You see what I'm saying? The little one doesn't come with. See how that works? Crazy world we live in, but it's getting so fucking dark. I don't dark none of it. I see this angel thing on the sun lately. Like that's maybe it's all happening. I don't know.
It's gonna be garbage. Here.
How did they make plants look like meat? Because and it's coming from a printer. My ass.
Big meatballs. Look at all this garbage. Tomato, basil, pea.
And the number one sin, according to that one book, you can do your own book. And I don't care if you believe it or not, but I don't like eating certain types of meat. That's illegal, by the way. It's also illegal according to whatever you're not supposed to inject that in your body either, but people do. That's called cannibalism, and that where the Supreme Court gets involved. See what I'm saying? With that thing I was talking about with those In-N-Out burger thing. This should be called In-N-Out burger. Oh, fuck, that's gross.
What's that website? BiteLabs.org?
Oh, yeah, BiteLabs.org, right? Go look at that restaurant. They're cooking with human DNA or some garbage. I don't know how they're getting it, though. Cannibal something out of California. It's a restaurant, true story. Cannibal Cafe?
I think so.
Cannibal Cafe. Google that. If you think I'm retarded for wondering what the hell's in this fake meat, and it looks like real meat, that would be something the devil would do to even trick you. It's not real meat, but you're eating meat. Because you can't eat meat. See, because it's illegal according to all laws of nature. That's how mad cow disease started. See how that worked? I'm hitting my table too hard. I got to calm down. This shit really is gross.
Made of what?
I'm going to stop drinking coffee while I'm laughing. I hope you guys are laughing. This is creepy shit.
No meat. Here. What is crap? I gotta reach up. That's up high. Beef crumbles. See how that works? I don't think this is the Labs. I think this.
It's $4.49 for like a pound of this crap. Like, if that's even a pound. See this? I'm trying to stop on the price. Otherwise, pause it. You'll see the prices in here. This camera's way better than the one I had. See, you could actually see the numbers on it.
Here, porkless pocket. This looks like.
That looks like you took meat out of a dandelion, or however they say they're doing it. Or that look. You ever see those? What's that serial killer? Isn't there a serial killer that used to put people in the log machine? What do you call that thing that grinds up logs? The shredder. If you put a human leg in a shredder, I bet you the meat would shred just like that. See how that works? That's in the movies. I saw a movie about this. It was one of those Friday the 13th or something. What was one of those comedy ones or whatever, parodies, whatever it is. That reminds me of that. I don't know movies. I saw a clip of this stupid crap. But that looks just like corn or whatever they say it is. Off a printer, by the way, near a certain facility that is In-N-Out Burgers. Not the company. I mean, talking in pictures.
I want to puke on it right now.
I just want to
No
puke.
offense if you make this
I hope I didn't ruin nobody's dinner. This is about dinner time by the time you see this. I should have put a warning.
crap. See how that works? Some spicy porn. I mean,
Ha! Some spicy porn. That's what that looked like, that garbage. Hang on, what's this?
see how that works?
Hang on, I gotta stop the tape. Hang on a second.